Alright, today is a good day because we've got all of the parts that I need for my S2000, all the engine parts, timing chain tensioner, valve cover gasket, and all the shims and sorry, not shims, the washers for the cover, timing chain guides, oil seal, flywheel oil seal, the timing chain itself, and another oil seal for this, I think, something like that. Anyway, these are all the part numbers that are associated to this engine rebuild. Not engine rebuild, engine refresh, just as a precautionary step. So all this will be changed just for the heck of it, because I don't know what the history of the car is. Car still in the air. I'll be replacing I'm gonna decat. I'll be decatting the car. Engine bay still empty, and engine still over there. So good thing is that parts have arrived and we can tear into the engine right away. Okay, so we've torn into the engine, and look at this, it's nice and clean. Good thing is the previous owner in Japan has been maintaining the engine, although the exterior of the car was not very well maintained. Interior, well, it's used, it's very used. Not that it wasn't very well maintained, it was just very used. And to our surprise, the timing chain guide, the used one that came with the car, let me see if I can find it here, had been changed before in the past, but was only changed on one side. So one side's fairly new, and one side's very worn, slightly worn. This is the new side. And this is the old side. Anyway, funny that they changed one side of the guide and maintained another side of the guide. Maybe, yeah, it's cheaper to do this, but whatever it is, I've gone ahead and changed both sides one shot, including a brand new chain. The chain here is actually pretty good still, it's in very good condition, and this was also in pretty good condition. So all this was done actually in Japan previously. Sorry about that, phone call coming in. All these parts are actually in pretty good shape, so that's very relieving. Engine is healthy. Very happy with that. We're gonna open up the oil sump tomorrow morning, check out what it looks like underneath, and then move forward from there. Alright, till tomorrow. I just felt that I didn't do the engine any justice by not doing a walk around. Ogura flywheel. All the belts will be replaced. Whatever belts that need to be replaced will be replaced. Engine will be brand new when it goes in, I hope. Looking forward. I finally drove it out to put it under the sun so that you have natural lighting to see exactly how this car has been put back together. It's back together now, and we're going to go for a test drive. Engine has totally been transformed due to its yellow color cover. And everything looks neat and tidy. A lot of new zinc plated nuts and bolts. Whatever that was removed is reinstalled with new bits. All the nuts and bolts are brand new. So you can almost say that this is a nut and bolt restoration of this car. So far we're done with the engine and the engine bay. Next is to respray the entire car and get it back to perfection.